Welcome. Are you ready to create? Today we're going to make a turkey windsock. We'll need a cardboard tube. We will need some feathers. I'm going to use 3, but you can use as many as you want. Some paper cement. We'll need some Google eyes, some construction paper. I've already taken the time to cut our construction paper exactly the way we'll need it. I'm going to use a brown piece of construction paper, and I'm going to use a yellow piece, yellow for the beak of our turkey. We'll need some ribbon, and we'll need some tape. So we're going to start by wrapping the brown construction paper around our paper tube. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some tape on our construction paper and our tube, and I'm just going to continue to wrap it around like so. Oops, drop some ribbon. Okay. And now we're going to tape it over. Tape it over, and then just to make sure I've got the seam taped really well, I'm going to put some tape just like so. Brown. So our turkey, the body of our turkey will be brown. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some ribbon and I'm going to tape it. And this is going to be the ribbon that helps our turkey windsock hang. So this will be the top of our turkey. I'll just fold that tape over like so. There we go. So our windsock will hang like this. Now, I'm going to take some paper cement and to the back of our Google eye, I'm going to put a little paper cement. And I'm going to glue one Google eye here. And on the back of our Google eye, I'm going to put some more paper cement. And I will put the other Google eye there, just like so. Now, I'll give our turkey a beak. I'll take our yellow construction paper that I've already cut into a triangle. Put on some paper cement, and I'll put our beak right under the turkey's googly eyes. It'll take it a minute to dry and to set, but when it does, there we go. It was that quick. What do you think? Now, our turkey needs a plume of feathers. So that's what these 3 feathers are for. I think I'm through with the rubber cement, so I'm going to tighten down the top so that it doesn't dry out. I'm going to start with our red feather. And I'm going to tape it in like so. Then I'm going to take our yellow feather. And I'm going to tape it in like so. And finally, I will take our orange feather, put some tape on it. Whoops. Well, that messed up. So we will start again. I'll get a fresh piece of tape. We'll try. If you don't succeed at first, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. And then we'll tape in the orange feather. There we go. Our turkey face with feathers. This will be the top of the windsock. Now we'll need some streamers for the bottom part of the windsock, and that's where these ribbons come into play. And what we will do, oh, I messed his face up a little bit, didn't I? There we go. How is that? That's much better. Now I will tape in these ribbons on the bottom. This will be the bottom part of our windsock. We could hang it out on the porch as a decoration. For the month of November, or for Thanksgiving, or anytime if you just like turkeys. I have a friend who raises turkeys, and she would probably enjoy having a turkey windsock all year round on her turkey farm. The house where I used to live, we had lots and lots of wild turkeys in the woods out behind the house. I would enjoy going out in the afternoons and then early mornings and watching the wild turkeys play out in the woods behind the house. There we go. And there's the streamers for the bottom part of our windsock. And the ribbon for the top part of our windsock. And then when the wind blows, our windsock moves. I hope you and your special adult will take a little time this week to create your own turkey windsock. I have enjoyed this creation time with you, and I hope you'll enjoy some creation time with your special adult. I'll see you again soon for more creating